Hello and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to build this beautiful day one video ideation and packaging worksheet, which is a part of my YouTube Operator Academy school community, especially the part of the first video in 3 days. It's a transformation that I'm promising to my community members that have not yet published, that want to get started on YouTube but they don't know how. And it's completely set up to remove overwhelm in giving you step-by-step guides to succeed and publish your first video on YouTube within the 3 days. And this is a worksheet to actually help you make these videos pretty good. So today I will be showing you how to actually create this thing in Notion. So as always, we begin in Notion with the blank page because that's apparently the stuff that we always get in busy. Then let's first make it beautiful. Let's add a YouTube Operator Academy icon and we're gonna be creating the title. So let's see what we're gonna call it. First video in 3 days, day one. Yeah, worksheet. That actually makes more sense because it's delivering a clear result, clear outcome for the viewer. Alright, then we want to be creating a heading one. So we want to say, okay, first we'll take care of video ideation. That's the part of the curriculum in the day one. Day one is focusing on you getting your video idea ready and packaging, which means title, thumbnail, and also the hook we are including within this worksheet. So for your video idea, I want you to be covering video topic for the game or genre, depending if you're making educational or gaming content. Then video type. What will be your video type? So is it a listicle? Is it a let's play? Is it tutorial or something else? Then your unique style, however you want to approach it, and then your tone and angle. It can be contrarian, it can be something else. The second thing that we're gonna be walking through and helping you guys to go over is the video packaging, and that contains about title and thumbnail to start with. So we're gonna put like a list of video title proposal. Those video title proposals and packaging are for your ideation process. So when you're thinking about idea, how will my video title and thumbnail support my video idea, how they will deliver and how they will make people curious. So from that perspective, you want to have this stuff prepared when you're starting to record your first video, for example like this one that I'm recording right now. So title proposals and thumbnail outlines. Remember, thumbnail doesn't need to be visual at this stage. It can be just describe whatever comes up in your mind, how they would be supporting each other. And the best tip is don't overlap. Don't make sure that you are repeating. Okay, let's add some background color, make it a little bit beautiful. Yeah, there we go. Title, thumbnail, and the hook. The hook is up to first 30 seconds of your video. So that's what you want to be taking into account. So we're gonna say, okay, day one, idea and packaging checklist. Now, this is the thing. I don't want to just give you an empty sheet and have no idea how to verify your ideas, titles, and thumbnails. So I'm gonna give you a set of checks that your video, title, thumbnail, and hook need to clear in order for them to be, let's say, good enough to start. Like I told you, my idea is to avoid creator overwhelm. So hopefully by giving you exact worksheet, what to fill in and what you should be taking into account, this gives you a clear idea of what to do. By the way, I am including also this type of information at a lot greater depth within my video packaging and ideation course within my YouTube Operator Academy. Link will be provided in the comments below, so if you're interested you can obviously go there, check it out, and join the community of like-minded individuals. But okay, so we have ideation and packaging checklist, so we obviously want to have some checks which we can check off. Most important one is topic selected and align with your YouTube channel. So you don't want to be posting everything, because if you're posting everything then you're not aligned with your channel and your videos are not gonna stack. You're not gonna have that compounding effect. Topic should be aligned with your channel. For example, my channel is Notion, and here I'm showing how to design a certain template for something else, but in a Notion step-by-step guide. So this is a tutorial, and this is how is my angle. My angle is educational, informative, by teaching you guys step-by-step process how to do it. Tone and style, in my opinion, I'm trying to deliver calm narration, enthusiastic tone that hopefully gets you motivated to deliver and create things like this on your own. By the way, this entire worksheet will be available for free on my Gumroad store. Link will also be provided, so if you're interested just to check it out how it looks and you want to use it but you don't want to code it yourself, you will be able to do that in the link below. Packaging verification, I added some checks. Title communicates the clear value to the viewer. Well, it makes sense. You want to make it about them, not about you. Title should spark curiosity, so you should be opening a loops. People would need to think about, what happens? I need to click it. And thumbnail should be stopping the scroll, so it needs to stand out among the others. So when you're doing a little bit of background research on the topics, you might as well check out to see that they are standing out. Title and thumbnail do not repeat each other. I put this in bold because I've been doing that mistake for 3 years in a row, guys. So very important not to do that. Okay, now let's make it beautiful. And the thing is, what I prefer to put all of these in the callouts because then they are much nicer sorted. So I'm gonna put this one as well. I mean, I'm gonna have a PDF version of this and it's not gonna be 2 columns, but when doing the Notion thing, I want to do it like 2 columns so that it's much easier to hold on, let's place it 2 columns. Oh, why? Okay, let's delete this one. And I think I should make this a full width page. So this is a worksheet for YouTube Operator Academy, the one that I've shown you, so that you know what is this about. Remember, this is also a lead magnet. So from that perspective, I'm also showing you how to build it. It's for free, you can try it. And if you see the value, you can of course join my community. And that's something, how to build a very simple thing in Notion. Access the course at YouTube Operator Academy. And then we're gonna be providing the link. There we go. Okay, that's a good sheet. It's a rather simple one, but I think it's pretty doable. And if you would like to actually try it out, you can go to your first video in 3 days. And on the day 1, we have this step-by-step explaining all of the contents, what you need to do, what you want to do with the packaging. I will also make videos, so it will be a video guides, but I'm not there yet. And those video guides are gonna be talking about how to set everything up. And at the end, you have this type of checklist, and this is a place where you can actually click and download your worksheet as well as both on my Gumroad store. So I hope you found this video interesting and informative. Do let me know if you would like more how-to guides, and let me know in the comments below what would be interesting to you, and I'll see you in my next video.